excited? Hey Lauren, we're in Vegas for literally like 2 minutes, and what are we doing?
Eating. That's all we do.
That's literally all we do. But yeah, guys, we're at Guy's Vegas Kitchen. Oh, that's really cool. Like a little sign. We're at the link. You excited?
Yes.
All we do is eat. Okay, Lauren. We officially got the drinks. Are you excited?
Yes. The tropical wave. It has Malibu rum and pineapple juice and blue curacao and coconut water and coconut puree, maybe? I don't remember. I think there was a second coconut something.
I have the High Roller Kool-Aid, which has a red berry vodka, raspberry liquor, peach schnapps, cranberry juice, lime and cherry. You excited?
Yes.
Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Okay, Lauren, what do you got?
The bacon mac and cheese burger.
Yeah? What is on it? It looks
Bacon,
like
mac and cheese, and a burger.
That is like, that thing's like bigger than your face.
Also, there are some crispy onion rings on here. There was some sort of sauce that had like, it was like monkey sauce or some sort of sauce that had like a weird name.
Yeah.
I'm not quite sure what it is, but I will eat it.
Yeah. And then I got this ringer burger, which is, I like my things with no cheese on it, but it has onion rings, lettuce, french fries, and oh man, this is gonna be amazing. Also, I love how they have 2 different kinds of fries. You excited? You ready for this room tour, honey? Oh, it has to have the little thing. There we go. Are you ready?
Yes.
Ooh. Room tour time. Bathroom time. Oh, this is a tight squeeze in the bathroom. A little tight. A little tight. There's a hair. Like right there. Do we want to call? It's a tight squeeze though. I like that it's an actual door though, versus a like the sliding barn door.
Yeah.
The room's not as big as Flamingo, but moment of truth. You ready?
It's over there.
Oh, it's over here. You ready?
Yeah.
Oh.
Well,
Look at that view, guys. Oh, does this open though? No, that doesn't open. It's like a fake balcony. Well. Well.
beautiful.
Yep. Yeah, we're definitely not on the 44th floor. So when we're checking in, it said like we're room 4434, and it said on the 44th floor. This is not the 44th floor. This is the 4th floor. Well, that's a view. I like the decor. It's simple. I kind of like the Flamingo one better for room wise because it's a little bigger.
Yeah.
But I like that they have an actual door on the bathroom rather than the sliding door.
Yeah.
That's nice.
Yeah.
So guys, I didn't even see this closet, but the closet is in the bathroom behind the door. What do you think of the room?
Cool.
Yeah. Is there another closet, or is that is the closet? Oh, look at this chair. Does it open? No, it does not open. Okay, we'll pick this vlog up in a little bit, guys.
I'll have more energy.
Yeah, we just took a little nap. The lunch we had was amazing. And I ate them on that.
Oh, it feels so good.
Lunch was amazing. But we got a room, we took a little nap, and now we're gonna go explore. You excited?
Yes.
Let's do this. Okay, Lauren, what did we just do?
Sweat.
Yeah, we are sweating. It's freaking hot, guys. But we just got show tickets. We're going to a show tonight. What are we seeing?
Absolutely.
Yeah, so we are going to Absinthe, which is right there. We'll tell you guys all about it later. We just bought the tickets right now. Are you excited?
Yes, I'm so excited.
And yeah, now we need to find air conditioning.
Or just an ice drink.
Yeah.
So do you want to just keep walking then, or do you want to?
I'm good with whatever. You want that one? Honey, can I have like one candy bar? I just want that.
That's actually chocolate?
That's
not
actually
just-
chocolate. Look, it says nearly 800 pounds of Hershey's milk chocolate. That's like actual chocolate, honey.
Painted over?
I don't know. It says chocolate. It looks like wood right there, but it says chocolate. Are you excited? Okay, I want to see your best juggling act, honey. Woohoo! Oh man, I want an autograph after, honey. Okay, honey, we're at
We are
Absinthe.
literally the first ones here.
But it's like 45 minutes till start. But look at this, we're at the tent. Do you want to get a drink? I want to see what their drinks are. Yeah? So we're outside of Absinthe. So Absinthe is a... Oh, are you trying to say the drink?
Yeah.
So we got a drink. It's called the Absinthe Hallucinator. And we're sharing it. And
Vodka, pomegranate, blood orange, absinthe, and lemon.
and the lemon I kind of accidentally had it fall out. But we're sharing it. But we're outside of the Absinthe tent. And I'm curious how this is going to be, but it's going to be fun. You ready?
It was a pre-mixed thing too, like you just poured it out of a jug.
Yeah. How's it?
It's strong, but it's not like I don't know. I think I'm not normally a big fan of like the pomegranate taste, but also like it's good. It tastes
Yeah.
like juice.
Okay, I want to try it. Oh yeah. That's strong, but it's like
It's straight up juice.
it's straight up just, it makes me think of, no, I don't want to compare to the Giada ones we had, but it reminds me a little bit of that. I am sweaty, holy cow. Yeah guys, it is really hot. I hope they have air conditioning in that tent. Are you excited?
I don't think they can put everybody in a tent when it's not up.
That's true.
Not have fans.
That's true. Okay, so what are you hoping to see out of this?
I don't know.
Yeah, I don't know
I
what
mean,
to
I
expect.
feel like as long as we don't get like a grown adult man in a diaper, it'll be good.
By the way, for those of you that have never seen Mystere, which actually, okay, and no disrespect to
was a
Mystere,
fantastic show,
that was a
don't get me
fantastic show,
wrong.
but it took a very weird turn because it had multiple times. Like, I mean, it started with a screaming baby in a diaper on the stage, a giant
all over the
snail.
place, and I loved
Like
it,
it was
but it was
Mystere's
very odd.
amazing, but it went everywhere. But yeah, I'm curious because so Absinthe, everywhere you look here, it'll always say go to Absinthe, and we're not sure why. All we know is it's a circus. But after walking into this little area, I mean, you can tell, like there's the circus tent, but it's like it has, I don't know. It's gonna be fun. Are you excited? You have a pretty smile. Okay, Lauren, recap. What the frick did we just see?
I don't know. That was just a lot of skill and a lot of humor, and they were having a lot of fun with it.
Yeah, okay, so the inside of that place is insane because like it's just like so many weird things. Every chair is different, which is the crazy thing.
I definitely recommend it though. You gotta
Yeah.
see it at least once.
Yeah, and
And it sounds like it stays pretty like pop culture-ish. Like a lot
Yeah.
of the jokes like could have been made, you know, a year ago, but like they do have a lot of stuff that's like current day.
yeah, and it's a lot of weird stuff. You can technically film in it. I don't like filming in shows. I did get a little clip at the end when they're doing the finale. So yeah, but yeah, it was fun. But I don't know where the night's gonna take us, but we're gonna have fun.
If that's it, then catch you on the next vlog.
Bye guys.
Away, away, nukui mua. And when it's time to find home, we know the way.